We're closing in on 25 years in business here. We've seen a ton of growth and expansion. The goal here has always been, how do we support our customer? How do we give our employees opportunity? How do we find new opportunities for new employees? Obviously we just finished up the expansion on the west side of the road. We expanded there a couple of years before that, and those have both been great, and it's been a good addition. More recently, we actually added a support center downtown here in Walnut. We will continue to bolster our product support, our service, our parts side of our business. That continues to be a strong growth for TCI. The building downtown is going to do that for us. More recently, we're really excited to announce that we're going to expand manufacturing capability into Pryor, Oklahoma. It's a great area there. The culture fits very similar to the culture here in Walnut, right? Small farm community surrounded by some other bigger cities. Really gives us a good opportunity to manufacture in another location, again, to support the customers, giving them the growth that we've promised. And at the same time, keep the same culture, keep the same quality. What we see down there compared to what we have here is just a great dynamic there. And I think the two locations are going to meld really well together. And we're really excited about it. So we can't wait to get down there, get building for our customers, find some new employees to give great opportunities to. Just a lot of great things coming here as we encroach on 25 years for TCI.